Hello and welcome to Lectivo. I'm Christian and I developed this application using OpenAI's Codex and ChatGPT 5.6. This fellow is
I'm
Lexi.
Professor Lexi.
He's the main
Let's turn
character and
today's
leads us
homework
through the
into an
entire
adventure.
application.
What shall we
After
explore
introducing
today?
himself,
Choose your
he asks
subject
us
and
to select
grade.
which topic and grade we want to work on so that
Mathematics
he
for
can
grade
go
4.
and get the
I know I
correct
saw
learning
that book
material for
somewhere.
us. Yes,
Success.
Lexi
This
talks
is
to us by
exactly the
currently
book we
using
need.
the core text-to-speech model,
Book ready.
and he can
Which
also listen
page
to us
and
by the Whisper
exercise do we
speech-to-text
need?
model. Both run
Read the
locally and don't
exercise
require an
aloud.
online
I'm here for
connection
you.
or any tokens. A good solution for the start, but maybe not
Math
sufficient
up
in
to
one of the next
1000.
development stages
First,
anymore.
mental arithmetic.
While the first
Find the
screens lead
missing
us
number
through a
in each
menu-like
equation.
structure,
Do
the
you
main
have any
part begins
questions
with
about this
working on the
part?
exercises itself. In this demo, Math for Grade 4,
Next, calculate
Lexi
using the
presents
written
us the
method.
worksheet
Work
that later
carefully
should
from right to
represent a real
left, one
homework
column at a
exercise.
time.
He reads the tasks out loud,
Do you
one
have
by
any
one,
questions about
gives
this
us time
part?
to think, gives us the opportunity to ask questions, and gives
Line up
explanations.
hundreds, tens, and
Here is the
ones.
part where
Add or
AI needs
subtract
to
the ones
shine.
first, then carry
Probably
or
by
borrow
using an
when needed.
LLM, we need
Part
to
C
listen
asks
carefully and
which
provide
digits are
explanations
missing.
suitable for
Use the
students.
completed result to work
Then it's the student's
backwards.
turn to solve the tasks.
Do you have any
The idea is
questions
not to
about this
replace a
part?
teacher or
Part D is
supervisor,
about number
but to
sequences.
provide him
Find the
some
rule in
relief
each
so that
row
he
and
can
continue
focus
the
on more
pattern.
relevant
Do you
tasks.
have any questions about this part?
I don't see any logic in that. Please explain it. Coming to the technical part of the
Compare neighboring
project.
numbers to
As an
discover
embedded
whether the
software
rule
engineer, I
adds,
don't really
subtracts,
touch
or
UI
multiplies
development,
by the same
especially not
amount.
using Windows. So I neither had the
Finally,
tools
complete the
installed nor the
lollipop price
abilities to
table.
create such a
Start with
project
the
in a
price
reasonable
of
amount
one
of time.
lollipop.
So I
Do you
installed the
have any
Codex plugin
questions
for my
about this
VS Code
part?
and got right into it by first setting up the necessary build environment, followed by compiling the
Now it's
first
your
lines of code,
turn.
all with
Take
the
your
help of
time, do
GPT
your best, and
5.6.
good
The
luck.
storyline was already worked out before and with it some self-made graphics. So I continuously fed parts of the storyline into GPT, which then in return builds the software from
Please
scratch,
check
piece
your
by
work
piece.
carefully against the results.
I hardly wrote
Then
any
tell
line
your
of code
teacher how
myself,
many
but instead
answers
gave
you got
guidance,
right.
checked the outcome, and asked for corrections. Using that style of prompt engineering, I was able to bring the application into a demo-ready state within hours, which is quite amazing.
You earned
A
4
simple
out of
1 to
5
5-star
stars.
upgrading
Great
system
job.
finalizes
You were
our
very
first
close
journey
to a
with
perfect
Lexi, and we can
result.
do more homework or
Excellent
decide to
work.
call it a
Shall we
day.
choose another subject? Which subject
Well,
and
that's it.
grade
Thanks for your
do
attention.
you really
Have a
want
nice
to
day.
stop learning?